Now then guys, so you're joining me at the point where the cylinder head has gone back on. You can see we wound the new head bolts down. We did not tighten them at all. They are literally, they're not tight, they're nowhere tight. We're about to start the torquing procedure for the head bolts. And you start off in a sequence of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And you do it in 4 stages. Stage 1, which I'm about to start, is 20 Newton meters. So as you can see, there, we're using the trusty old snap-on 1/2 inch drive tech angle for this. This thing's a beast. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 'I do apologise for the mess of which my garage is, which is always the case unfortunately. I never get round to sorting this out, too busy on with everyone else's stuff. So that's number 8. Then number 9, right over here. A little bit over there. But we'll be balancing that out when we go to the stage 2 of the tightening sequence. Right, so that's all 10, stage 1 of 20 Newton meters. Next up, we're on stage 2, which is 40 Newton meters. This is the data sheet from the head gasket kit, so we're going off that. Right, so we're up to 40 Newton meters on this one. Right, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So that's sequence number 2. Right, next up we're going to be on angle torque. So because it's a trusty tech angle, it has all that fancy smancy stuff built in. So stage 3, which is the first stage of the angle torque, is 130 degrees. So I'm pretty glad I'm doing it with a tool that determines it, because the pain in the ass is degrees. So that's 1. 2. 3. Tell you something, if we ever do BMW cylinder heads, you guys will be in for a treat. Talking them up. Christ, they're tight. So that's number 6 done. Down to number 7. Hey, I do apologise if I'm knocking you at any point. Like that. So number 9. There we go. And then number 10. There we go. That you can see on camera there how good this torque wrench is, because it actually lights up the green when you're at the right degree of torque, flashes at your beeps and vibrates and all sorts, so it actually does determine it really well. It is an absolutely brilliant piece of kit, and I would highly recommend them if it weren't for the absolutely astronomical price tag. That's not even a word. I'm going with it anyway. It's a good word. Right. So stage 4, and we're doing another 130 degrees. Gets to the point where it's tight. Wow, she's getting tight, boys and girls, apologies. Seven. Right, I'm gonna, if I block you, I do apologise. Right, this is fun. So I'm 3. 110. Oh, Christ, on a bike. Let me just see if doing it, that's a bit better. Yep, that's miles better. Right, last 2 for the final stretch. Final one, guys and girls. There we go. And that is the cylinder head torqued down on this little 1.4 TDCi Fiesta engine. So next up is rockers back in, cam cradle back on, and start building her back up. So thank you guys for watching this bit, and we're going to slap you back on a time lapse and carry on going. So we'll see you guys soon.